On this quick one, guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can browse the internet without any data connection. Yes, you may be surprised that how is it going to be possible for you to browse the internet without any data connection. Yes, it is very possible. All you just have to do for you to do that is for you to stick to this video right from this beginning until the very end, and also make sure that you share it to your friends and family, because these tricks that I'm about to reveal to you is free of charge. It will cost you nothing to share it with your friends and loved ones. And also, if you see any value on this video, kindly turn on the like button and just try to encourage me by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is free, it will not cost you anything. Just support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So guys, all you just have to do now is for you to go to your to your dial code. You click on *#4636# *#, and you click on, you can see, because my phone has two SIM, phone information 1, phone information 2, Wi-Fi information. So I'm going to click on phone information 2 right away. You can see mobile radio power is off. Right away I'm going to turn it on, so I will turn it on. You can see it's been reset. So now let's try it, whether it will work out. Look at the top of my phone right away, it's on airplane mode. So let's check whether I can browse the internet for free of charge without any data connection. So let's go. Now let's go to our Facebook. Let's see whether it will work out. So guys, this is all how it works. You can do yours, and if it works for you, you can comment on the video it works for me, and I will be very, very glad to hear that from you. Thank you for watching video until the very end. Till we meet again, or till then, bye bye for now. One love. Peace.